gonna get started on working on getting rid of the HKS exhaust that's already on this car, and then stock exhaust manifold. I'm upgrading it to a DMAX exhaust manifold, just a direct replacement T2 flange manifold, which I have over here. DMAX manifold. So it's just a stock replacement manifold. And then also I got a eBay exhaust because the HKS exhaust that I have on my car is meant for stock rear bumper. It's an upgraded 3-inch, but it's got a small exhaust tip and small muffler. So I just got an eBay $100 exhaust, and we'll see if it sits too low. I'll cut hangers and weld them up higher, and I'd rather order all this piping. It comes with flanges, gaskets, bolts, and everything, even a muffler, which probably won't do much, but I want the bigger exhaust tip. That's the main thing. And so whatever doesn't fit nicely, I can always just cut it and weld it better. But it comes with all this piping that I don't have to worry about ordering separate, just for all $100. So it's not bad. So I'm going to first start off with getting that exhaust off, and then we'll go from there. I might just quickly, as I take the exhaust off, just mount up the axle back portion of this eBay exhaust, just so I can see how far it sits out from the bumper. But this might be a little bit of a pain in the ass, but I think it'll be worth it.